देखते हैं क्योंकि अब तो सारी चीजें क्लियर हो चुकी हैं.
Yeah, I would first wish the Chief Minister of Maharashtra all the very best. I hope he lives up to all the commitments that he has made to the people of Maharashtra. Having said that, it took a government which came in full majority over 10 days to decide who's the Chief Minister phase. We've seen public bickering, where now the former Chief Minister went into an incredible sulk to his village, and in Thane he was refusing to meet anybody. He continued to hint that he wants to continue as a Chief Minister. So considering there are so many differences amongst the three, I just hope the people of Maharashtra do not suffer because of the differences that we see between the three parties.
But ma'am, the way Sanjay Raut ji, he also commented that BJP only use the Shinde and they will keep aside him and very shortly we will see all these things. How
So
do you
yeah,
respond
if you look at it, Bharatiya Janata Party's known strategy has been to backstab its own political allies. Whether it was Shiromani Akali Dal, whether it was TDP earlier, TDP is now again with them. Whether it was LJP, whether it was Shiv Sena, we have seen betrayal coming from the BJP, and they throw as per their convenience and as per their political strategy. There's nothing that new that he has brought to the table. What he's clearly saying is that he was used as a chief minister for 2.5 years, and as soon as they've gone into an election and come back again, they've discarded him as the CM, and he himself has publicly hinted that.
Ma'am, one last question. Today again protest took place over here. Could you please highlight regarding what again that Adani issue raised by
See,
all of you?
the US courts have indicted Adani Group of having given crores of bribes to government officials, to bureaucrats, to get government contracts. It is a matter of shame that India should be investigating him. An investigating agency should be investigating him. Instead of that, they're trying to safeguard him and safeguard his interests. What is unfortunate is that over the period of 75 years, all the prestige that India has earned, the corporate governance models that we brought into place today lies in shambles because Narendra Modi ji continues to protect Adani.